squishies look almost like jelly, they also feel amazing to squish.
Oh my god!
Slow-rising squishies feel much more satisfying to Squishmate. Did I mention the adorable designs they tend to have?
Aww.
Pancake-themed cat. Squishies we have at Squishy Chew. Number 1 is the Taba Squishy. Number 2 is the Slow Rising Squishy.
Do you like capybaras? Check out this capybara toast. Ever wish squishies were edible? Top 3 most edible looking squishies.
Huh? Number 3.
Jelly cat paw squishy. Obviously this squishy is on the list. It looks like jelly or even marshmallows.
Number 2.
Pancake squishy. Do I even have to explain?
Number 1.
Hamster squishy.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
Dropped when I saw this. Since Valentine's is coming up, tag the person that needs to get you these squishies. Oh wait, what did you say? No one to buy you this gift. Hey, well it's okay because they're currently on sale for only $7.99. Take a break from scrolling and sit with us in peace.
I think we could do it if we tried. If only to say you're mine. So feel now that you and I shouldn't feel like a crime. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm pleading on my knees. It's your touch that I need.
Stop. Do you love cats? And do you love squishies?
Yes, I love cats and squishies.
Well, We have a sale on our website, Squishy Chew, for these adorable cat paws.
Really? Can you show me how they look?
Of course, Queen. Let's go to the Squishy Chew factory. So many squishies. School stress hitting hard? Meet our furry stress buster. Stress levels dropping.
Situations bring you back to me. Oh, love is never break up. I guess you won't, that's all. My love, you say that I'm dying to forget. I bit the bullet for you, for you. I wrote a song to many pennies, so I hope you hear me know that I've been thinking about you. Oh.
Do you like cats, sushi, and squishies? Then you'll love this Sushi Cat Paw Squishy.
It's a hell of a time. Burning like a candlelight. Your love is dangerous. Your love is my love is our love is burning like.
Products for less than $10 on squishychew.com.
Some pink pumps, pink thumbs in a tutu. Some pink lips, pink blush on my YouTube. Now everybody again on my choo-choo. Some bubble gum blowing bubbles then I choo-choo. Some pink toes and my pink Jimmy choo-choos. All the way in London they love me. In Australia I'm Crocodile Dundee. When they see me they salute.
Squishy Chew top picks. The cat paw is our most famous squishy. People tend to purchase this considering we pick the toe beans straight off real cats. Another squishy people also love is the cheesecake squishy. This could be because it smells like a fresh bakery and looks super tasty.